Welcome to our exploration of the geography of the Himalayas. In this video note we will talk about the geological formation and tectonic history of the Himalayan region with reference to Uttarakhand. As we all know, the Himalayan mountain range formed from the collision of the Indian and Eurasian plates, creating Earth's highest peaks and diverse geological structures over millions of years. Let's talk about its geological formation. The Himalayas formed around 50 million years ago due to the collision of the Indian plate with the Eurasian plate. This collision resulted in the upliftment of the sedimentary rocks that were originally at the bottom of the Tethys Sea, forming the majestic Himalayan mountain range. The Himalayas are composed of various types of rocks including sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous rocks, which were folded and faulted during the collision. Now let's gaze into the tectonic history of Himalayas. During the early stages of Himalayan formation, intense compressional forces led to the folding and faulting of the sedimentary layers, creating the characteristic anticlines and synclines seen throughout the region. Uttarakhand, located in the western part of the Himalayas, has experienced significant tectonic activity over millions of years. The ongoing collision between the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate continues to exert pressure on the region, leading to seismic activity such as earthquakes and the occasional upliftment of the mountains. The region has also been affected by the movement of major fault lines like the Main Central Thrust, MCT, and the Main Boundary Thrust, MBT, which have played a crucial role in shaping the landscape of Uttarakhand. The tectonic processes in Uttarakhand have also contributed to the formation of important geological features such as valleys, ridges, and river systems, including the Ganges and its tributaries. Now let's talk about the impact of all these tectonic activities on Uttarakhand. The tectonic activity in Uttarakhand makes the region prone to seismic hazards, necessitating careful urban planning and infrastructure development to mitigate the risks. The rugged terrain created by tectonic processes has also influenced the socio-economic development of Uttarakhand, affecting agriculture, transportation, and settlement patterns. That is a brief summary of geological formation and tectonic history of the Himalayan region, with reference to Uttarakhand. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the geological and geophysical formation of the Himalayas. Until next time, keep exploring the geography of Uttarakhand Himalayas.